Okay, let's do our Toyota TE27 drawing on my little post-it note. So let's start off by doing the front end. Just go across here. One moment. Okay, sorry about that. I'm just on my photo reference. People often ask where I get my pictures from and how do I find so many pictures and stuff like that. I look at a lot of different resources from all sorts of different car magazines, car catalogues, especially the free ones that come from garages. Lots of different sources, even models. Go to toy shops and you find catalogues of model cars and stuff like that. So lots of sources out there that you can choose from. So just continuing this front end. Here's just for the headlights to go. I'll do that in a second. I just want to get these lines in. Then okay, there's a line going right across that I might just draw now. Then it's got the wing mirrors on the side. And then bring this up. There we are. Oh, got a bit off camera there, I do apologise. There we are, and just the side windows. Then let's do the wheel arches. Okay, let's do some large chunky wheels. Okay, and then I can bring this around. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's do a few details. So I'm going to go into my thinner pen. So let's do the headlight. Let's do some little shapes just inside. Then we'll do the grille now. There we are. Just little details. I have a little headlight down here. And I've got a little light on the side. Then we can bring this door, details coming down. Okay, little details just on the wheel. Okay, so I've got a few details in there now. I'm going to do a bit of shading. So just for the lower sections. Okay, so I've got the front end there. And this lower section, and just around the wheel. Just bring this a bit more forward. I'm going to use a bit of a thicker pen just for this. There we are. Okay, let's go into a bit of grey, just for this lower section. There we are. I might do a bit of red on here. Let's bring this across. Okay, and just a bit of orange, maybe a bit darker than the actual, just to finish it off. Maybe just a touch of gel pen. Okay, I want to just do some more touches to this. It's not quite as clear as I want it. So I'm just darkening up some more areas. Just smooth out some of these lines. And add a little bit of the background here. Okay, let's do a little touch of white. Just a little bit more. Okay, I think I'll leave it like that, guys. This has been Trafalgar Valentine. I hope you enjoyed this video. So it was, yeah, it's a little rough here and there, but I got there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.